How's everyone doing? Good?
Good.
Yeah. Um, I see the market is getting, up and down, but the rate is still pretty decent. Uh, and everyone hoping rate will drop in the near future. So those are that then it would be a great time for all of us. And today I'm gonna share with you about me, about how we do business, how I do business, so that I can have a lot of clients. I will show you about our system. I will show you how we move a loan from A to Z, who involved, and then I will also show you all the benefit that we offer our loan officers. Uh, I really love to have you asking me a lot of questions, make the section very interactive. So please do ask a lot of questions. However, if you please ask anything that you hear me saying and you have question. And if you have any unrelated question, please wait to the end. Okay. So I will get started now. And I will share with you my screen. I will share with you my screen. Wait 1 second. Okay. So this is our main website. Our website does the job for us. It doesn't look pretty, but it uh, it will help me help you winning the clients. So basically, I do a lot of ads. I run a lot of ads to promote my website. On my website, I have this program, $1,000 best price guarantee. I guarantee that I can beat any offer. If not, I will pay the client $1,000. So this is a rate program, and you can check the term and condition. It's very easy, the three-step process. First, the client gives us the loan estimate that they get from another loan officer. We will tell them if we can beat it or not. If not, we pay them $1,000. So very simple. And the client can fill out this short form and upload the loan estimate. We will honor fixed rate conventional conforming loans, FHA and VA loans. We will not honor builder preferred lender and the bank or credit union who offer jumbo loan or equity line credit. So it's very good program, and we launched it for more than 2 years, and we haven't lost any money. So this is a great program because as a loan officer, we all know that we need to compete, right? And you need to promote yourself. And right now, ask yourself this question: what do you have to offer your client? I mean, in order to be successful, you have to be different or better than your competitors. So if you want to say something on social media, if you want to impress your client, you need to have something to impress them. And this is one of the things that you can impress them. So you can promote this program. The good thing is, if we lose any money, the company will pay. You don't have to pay. The only thing we ask for is you have to stay competitive. You have to be willing to compete and lower your count to 0 if needed. So far, I don't get a lot of complaint about this. everyone happy with this program. Um, so it's very simple and easy program. Launch it. You can take advantage of it, promote it so that you can promote yourself. Uh,
Can I
and
ask a quick question, Anton?
sure, you can raise your hand and I will call you
Okay.
next time. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So you just mentioned that we don't have to pay for that 1,000 fee. The company pay for that. But the
Correct.
question is, you also mentioned about the loan officer have to be willing to lower the comp. Can you elaborate more on that?
It's very simple. Whatever your com you want to make, let's say 1.5%, and consumer shopping around, right? And if they obtain another loan estimate from another loan officer, if they give it to you, you have to try to compete. You will not lose the client, right? We don't want to lose the client. So in that case, you are likely to lower your com so that you can offer a better deal to your clients. So that's it. As long as you stay competitive, you're willing to beat the other offer, you're good.
Okay, that's good. But how do we do that? Do we allow to lower outcome by beating that interest rate, or do we offer them as the lender credit? Because I read through some document that was shared with me. It will say that in certain case we cannot lower outcome. So I want to understand how it works.
Yeah, you can lower your com if you send a loan to the correspondent channel, or if you switch the loan to borrow pay compensation. So those are the two cases that you can lower your com, and that should be good enough. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, but you are a little bit new to the industry. That's why you have this question. If you've been around, if you do wholesale loan for a while, you should understand what is lender pay, borrow pay, and correspondent loan. And I will get into that later. Okay. On the right side, you can see that we have a pricing engine for the consumer. The consumer can fill out a quick form, very short form like this, and check out the rate. And our technology is amazing. We build our own technology. We do not use any other people's software like Loan Shifter, like Lender Price, Lending Pad, Arrive, all of that. We don't use any of that. We have our own software, and you can use it for free. So, and our technology is better because we help you finding a better rate, better program, not like Loan Shifter or Lender Price. So let me go back here. Let's say this client make 20% down payment, and their credit score is low, let's say 650. And if you run the pricing, if you don't care about if you don't ask the client the income, the rate would be very high. Here's an example. Here's an example. Remember, this is for the consumer to run the pricing. And you can see the pricing is 6.5%, very high. But if you ask the borrower for their income, and if, let's say in this case, their income is 230,000, they will qualify for the AMI rate discount. So, and check out the rate right now. If we take into account that 5.75% versus 6.5%. So you can see that in case of competition, it's easier for us to win because we offer 5.75. Our competitor offers 6.5%. And even better than that, the consumer will see there's 36 lenders. They know that there is 36 lenders offer this rate, and they can expand it, and they can see the ranking, right? Our Rocket have better price, the best pricing, and then CMG Financial, Sunwest. As you go down the list, you can see the points are a lot higher. So you can see that if we don't shop around, we might end up with this lender with very high rate. And that is not good, right? So the consumer, they see this and they love it because they know that we shop around for them. 36 lenders with different pricing, and we pick the best lender for them. So this is a rate pricing engine, and that's why we show it to the consumer so that they can play around with it. They can trust us even more. You know, most people bluffing. Most people are liar. I mean, most people say, I have the best rate, work with me, right? But you know that most of them don't have the best rate. They keep saying that so that the consumer trusts them. So our tool is really cool. You can compare, you can check here and check here to compare the buy down option here, right? You buy down the rate, you pay 7,000 to get lower rate, and then you can compare to see the break even 6 years and 1 month to break even. You can compare 30 years versus 20 years. You can do a lot of different things, and you know, you can just select it and compare, or you can compare a conventional loan versus FHA loan. Just select it and compare. So this pricing engine is really cool, and it's even better than that. We have non-QM pricing engine, no income drop. So I can share with you. So if you do a purchase, you can do a bank statement program right here, and you can check the rate. And you can see that we have 9 lenders, 10 lender offer 6.25%, 6.35%, 3.75%. So you can see that here. Check it out. The best lender offer at no point, 6.375. But if you move down here, some lender charge 3,000, 4,000, very expensive. That's why you have to use the pricing engine. And I know that most of you don't have a pricing engine like this. You might have lending loan shifter or lending pad or other pricing engine, but they don't have non-QM pricing engine. And you can quickly find out which is the best lender you can offer your client. This way, you are not afraid of losing the client. I think the worst thing happened to us is we have a client, they like to work with us, but at the last minute, they find out another lender offer better rate and they leave us. That is not good. So we have, you know, you can choose investment and it switch to DSCR for you, and you can run the pricing. And you can do this yourself right now. You know, this is accessible. This pricing engine is available for everyone. You can check it out. And one thing I want you to do is compare your rate versus Loan Factory rate. You have to do that. Imagine you are competing against Loan Factory, the client shopping around. And I want you to feel good that you can have good pricing, at least the same as Loan Factory. Otherwise, you will keep losing clients. You know, Loan Factory is just one of the brokers out there who have very competitive rates. And there's more. And, you know, Loan Factory, we are trying to become a direct lender. So if we become a direct lender, we will be able to offer the pricing to our clients. And that is our goal. So any questions so far before I move on? Yes, let's see. Adini?
Yes, I have a question. Good
Yes.
morning. Yeah, when it comes to foreign mortgage financing, does this rate discount apply or what? Because foreign mortgage financing will not have a credit score. When it comes to that, do we use this rate discounting for them? Thank you.
I'm not aware of that program. You know, mostly I focus on conventional, typical loan, basically.
Okay.
Those are special loan, and I have no idea. I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. So let me share with you the screen again. But before that, hey Juan,
How are you? Just
good.
to clarify that calculator that you had there is on our website as well, so we can send that to the clients.
Yes, yes. So basically, let me share with you again. Uh, so basically, we have a pricing engine just like Loan Factory. We will build a website like this for you. And on this pricing engine, uh, you can, when you see the result, you can share with, you can click here and you can, let me see what happened. Yeah, you can copy the link here and share with anyone, or you can compare, and then when you compare, you can share with anyone. You can share, and sometimes I take picture, I send it to them. Sometimes I share to email or social media, all kind of sharing that you can do. And Loan Factory will build a website like this for you. It's almost the same. And on that website, you can see right here. Let me show you one example. Zoom in. So you can check her out. And this is her profile. She has a website. And you can purchase your own domain name, any domain name that you like. You own that domain name. And we will help you point your website to that domain name. That way, you can promote your domain name to your clients. And that will go forever. In the future, if you move to a different company, you own the domain name. You can always use that. The client always remember your domain name. So we try to help you out with that. Okay? And it's free. It's free. I think Ben, hello Ben. Hello Ben. I think it's Ben.
Hey, Scott was there for me.
Yeah, hi Scott.
Hi. So do you do non-delegated where you could fund in-house?
Good question. The answer is yes.
Okay.
So
And
let me share with you.
we
Here
can
is our
charge
Yeah, go
discount points and also get a rebate.
yeah, we can be a
Okay.
lender. We can be a lender.
Got it.
But remember, when you charge the client more, the rate would be higher. And in a competitive market like right now, it's really difficult to make a lot of money.
I understand. So what about credit reports? Are we responsible for credit reports?
Yeah, the credit report, you have your own account, you are responsible for it. When you
Okay.
pull, you pay for it. However, there's a few ways you can reduce the exposure. So basically on the website that we built for you, you can have a lot of customization, configuration. You can set up so that the borrower, when they fill out application, they can pay for it themselves. Or you can send a loan to some of the lender who, like Rocket, they offer free credit report.
Oh,
If
okay.
if you send to their website, you can pull the credit report there, and it's free.
Are you with Rocket and United Wholesale Mortgage or just Rocket?
Only Rocket, because the United
Okay.
Wholesale
I
have
know.
the ultimatum. Yeah.
And then are there any setup fees to get loan officers started?
Only one time, $100.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And here is our marketplace. You can see that we have 246 lenders. 6 of them are live right now. You can talk to them. So let's see, if you click here, you'll be able to see the list of the AE that they have with us, and you can join them live. You talk to them live. And you can see all kind of information about this lender down here. So we make it available to everyone, the marketplace. You can select the correspondent channel, and you can see that we are licensed in 40 states, correspondent license, 40 states. And we have 5 correspondent investor. You can look up any lender name, 246 lender.
Oh,
You
I have a
can,
question.
yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
So, what if we're not licensed in a state? Can we have somebody else disclose for us get a fee, or pay a fee for that, or what? How's that work?
If you don't have a license, you cannot do business in those states. Yeah, you cannot if you don't have a license. The
Somebody else
exception,
discloses for me. You're not doing that?
you cannot do the loan. You cannot earn the commission. The only exception is if you are W-2 loan officer with us, you can refer the loan to the company, and we'll pay you 50% of the commission.
Okay.
Yeah. The exception is DSCR and commercial loan. You can do those loans most of the time. Yes, we are correspondent in Florida. So let me continue with this. So the product offer here, we can do all kind of loan. We do non-QM, private loan, commercial, home equity, DPA, reverse mortgage, charter home loan, SBA vacant lands. So we do all kind of loan, like commercial. You can see that we have 55 lenders that then can do commercial loan. And let's say if you have a scenario, you want to ask them, instead of calling one by one, like if you click here, you can see the information, you can call them, right? Another way is you can email this lender a scenario. You click on it, you can type in the scenario, and you select the state, and then you set the list of lender that you want to email. You can select a lot of lender, and then you can post it. These lender will get notified, and they will come here and answer you. So you can see this loan officer here asked this question, and right here, you can see a lot of question here, the lender answer. So only 25 minutes ago. So this is a great way for us to find a lender who can help us. And that means you will never have to say no to your clients anymore. Given that we have 246 lenders, we do any type of loans. And no matter how difficult is the loan, you can reach out to them and ask them if they can help you or not. So this is a great tool. Lender Finder is a great tool. And our underwriter also helping you as well. If you need help with any scenario, they know the lender guidelines, they know the products, and they can help you. So our underwriter, in-house underwriter, are very helpful. They can help you underwrite a loan. They can help you calculate DTI. They can help you. Structure the loan or find the program, find the lender for you. So this year our marketplace really cool. Most people love it. And then our loan factory here, you can see we have support specialists alive. Our underwriter alive right here. Our corporate coach alive. So you can reach out to these persons to ask them any question you want to ask. And it's live, face to face, live, real time. We have a lot of different departments, like 24 different departments. And you can create a ticket for them if you have questions for them. We have team concept. So if you're good enough, you can have your own team if you qualify. Or you can join a team. And when you join a team, the commission is split up. you pay a little bit to your team leader, and it's up between you and between the team leader and the team members. That's how team works, right? There's no obligation. You want to join, you just join. Talk to each other and join. We have corporate coach who are readily available to help you. We have a production partner. Let's say if you need you have a client who speaks Spanish and you don't speak the language, you can ask another loan officer to help you, and two of you will get paid. So that is a great way to help each other. This is the event, which is training. You can see we have a lot of training every day. A lot of training every day. And for those that complete it, you can watch it. You can watch the training. We have DPA program from all lenders that we work with. We gather all of this. A lot of different programs. So I think there's some hands up. Let me see. Hi, Scott. Did I answer you yet?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Hello, hi, Ngọc.
Okay, hello, and two questions for you. Number one, back to the question from Scott earlier. So let's say we are in Texas and we have a friend in California who want to get a loan to buy a house in California. Can we accept them as our client, or we have to refer to one of the team members in California to do it?
Because you don't have a license, you cannot help the client in California.
Okay.
You have to have a license in order to originate the loan.
Okay.
And the only exception is if you are W-2, you can refer to the company and get paid.
Mm.
And it's
Okay.
easy to get license in multiple states. Therefore, most of our loan officers have license in many states.
Okay.
Which
So we
state?
can talk about that later.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Another question is, do we have what they call subprime loan?
Yeah, we have all kind of non-QM loan, all kind of non-QM loans. Yes. We can do
Okay, so
any kind of loans.
non-QM is another term for subprime, right?
Yeah, kind of
Okay. All right. Good.
alternative income. Yeah. Thank you,
All right,
Mark.
thank you. Yeah.
Hello, Caleb. Hello, Caleb.
Oh, yes. Good afternoon here.
Yeah, hi.
My question is there any reason for if I have a loan in another state and I'm on 1099 that I may not get any referral fee from that? As you said earlier on, it's only going to be those who are on W-2.
Yeah, and when you are 1099, you cannot refer and earn a bonus. You cannot. It's RESPA.
Okay.
Yeah, the law is very strict on this. Yep. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
let me continue. So you can see that here's the reason why Loan Factory, why you should join Loan Factory. We have the best technology, the platform that we have. We offer free training, a lot of training I showed you earlier. The marketing support. So we have a team of 11 staff in the marketing team. They are very good with marketing. They can help you create a customized image. They can help you edit a video. They can help you run ads. So they are very good in helping you. And very soon we will launch our automated marketing. So if you heard about HotSuite, you can schedule your post ahead of time. You can get all the content from us, and you can have our marketing team post everything for you automatically on your page, on your social media. So underwriting that I shared with you earlier, that the team will help you with any question, find the program, find the lender. If you have question about guideline, they can help you. We have live support on our marketplace. So if you have any question, you can go there and ask for help. You are not alone. You know, if you have questions, there's tons of so many people are readily available to help you. We don't charge any monthly fee, no junk fee, no desk fee. And you can save thousands of dollars with all of the software that we offer you. A lot of software, and I will show it you later on. We offer 100% commission minus a flat fee of $5.95. 100% commission minus flat fee of $5.95. However, if you are W2, we pay you only 90%. We pay you only 90%. If you are licensed in a W2 state, then you have to be W2. So here's the list of the 12 W2 states: California, DFPI, Georgia, Indiana, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont. These are the 12 W2 states. You get paid only 90%. And you have to pay tax as well to the government. Okay. Let me see. There's a hands up.
This is James Keenan. Isn't Nevada W2 state too?
Correct. Nevada is a W2 state.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Hang On.
Yeah, regarding the W2, so we are in Texas, right? But if we elected to be a W2 employee, right? So it's okay, 90%, no problem with us. The question is, let's say if we refer a client in California to Loan Factory to do the loan. So the first step is we take only 50% of the commission, and then we only take 90% of that, right?
Correct. No. I'm sorry. You get 50%. That's it.
Oh, okay. So the 90% only apply when we do the loan in Texas.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Okay. So not bad. Yeah.
If you are W2, yes.
And then in terms of W2, that means because we are in Texas, we are not responsible for California state income tax, right? Based on residency.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not sure about the tax thing. But you know the government, they always try to tax you. And so let me continue with this. You also have to pay $500 processing fee, in-house processing fee. So total is $595 plus $500. Total you have to pay $1,095. That is the total. Commission, you can choose to be 1099 or W2, but if you're in W2 state, you have to be W2. And you can choose your commission up to 250 basis points. We do have company lead in 42 states. These lead are the borrower who apply at the company website. So the quality is really good. But we don't have a lot of lead for loan officer because we have so many loan officers. These are very good lead. The chance that we close is over 50%. And you do very little. You get paid only 25 bps. However, the good thing is you are the loan officer of the transaction. You work with the client, you build that relationship. And in the future, if the client come back, they will be your client. Okay? They will be your client. We do have a lot of Facebook lead as well, and we distribute it to our loan officer. We rank our loan officer depending on how good you are. If you're good, you will receive the lead notification before other loan officers. We also have RSU for producing loan officer. And if you refer another loan officer to Loan Factory, you can receive cash or RSU bonus. So we have it. We have the information right here. So if you come to Loan Factory, look at your production in the preceding 12 months. So if you close, let's say 5 loans a month on average, you get 10,000 share. And the bonus, if you refer someone who get 10,000 share, you can choose to get $5,000 or 5,000 share. And everything's on our website, very transparent, very clear. Anyone have question before I move on to some feature on our as a loan officer? You will see the website, the feature that we have. Hey, Melissa.
Hi, I had a quick question. How are you? Thank you so much for the
Thank you.
webinar. Transaction coordinator, is that available? If so, how much is that and who pays it?
Yeah, the transaction coordinator is for real estate transaction. On the mortgage side, we have loan processor who will process the loan for you. Our processor are very good. As soon as the loan is ready to be submitted to the lender, they will take over. So basically, when the loan is ready to be submitted, you will initiate that. You will, let me share with you the screen. Okay. So here we have 3 pipeline on top here: leads, prospect, and loan. Lead, prospect, and loans. So every one of us know what is a lead, right? And you can work on your lead, and if they apply, it become a prospect. So a prospect is a loans, is a loan. A prospect is a loan. When borrower fill out application, is a prospect. And when the borrower is ready to be submitted to the lender, you convert it to a loan. So a loan is an actual loan submitted to the lender already. So that's how we keep track of, we group the transaction together by the type, right? Lead, prospects, and loans. And when the loan is ready to be submitted, you convert a prospect into a loan. And when during that process, you run the pricing, you will pick the lender for your client. You pick the rate for them. You will decide whether you want to send the loan to the correspondent channel or wholesale channel. And you will enter your compensation, how much you want to make. So you will give the processor the instruction, and the processor will take over, submit the loan for you to the lender, and issue the disclosure for you within 4 hours, 4 business hours. And then after that, they will work with the lender. They will ensure that the loan is approved. And when the loan is approved, they will call you to go over the list of conditions, just to make sure that everyone on the same page. So the borrower will do everything for you. They will take the loan all the way to fund it for you. They will work with your borrower. They will work with you. They will work with escrow, insurance agent, HOA, appraiser. They will work with all of them and move the loan to fund it for you. You can monitor the progress. I can share with you in here then. Let me see. I will show you not the production side because it has the client privacy information. I cannot show it to you. But this is our website. When we log in, I have to do this from here. I'm sorry. Just 1 second. So here is our when you log in, you can see the prospect right away. This is the prospect. 43% application is completed. So we check the progress. 14% completed the borrow fill out application. Our system generate to do automatically, like condition automatically for them to upload it. And you can create red alert for your clients. Like, let's say right this, you can click on this and you can see the pricing. You can create red alert for your clients. So what I do is all of my loans, I have red alert for them. I forgot to share with you about a red alert, which is really cool. So if I have a client that want to do a refinance, I can run the pricing, right? And now pricing have no closing costs. So the client I know that most of the client who refinance doesn't like to pay closing costs. So most of the time I quote them, let's say 6.125 with this much closing cost. And if the client say, no, I want lower rate, then you can say, oh, how about 5.99? I can track for you so that when there's no closing cost, I will let you know. So I create a red alert right here at 5.99 with no closing cost. And when it hits, email me. So this is how you create a red alert. And I create red alert for all of my clients so that if rate drop, they will come and work with me. And check it out here. My red alert, I have over 6,000 active alert. I have two types of alert, standalone alert and alert linked to a transaction. And this is how frequent I send out the code to them. So daily or weekly or monthly, depend on where they are with the loan. If the loan is in the money, that means their target hit already. I will email them daily. If they are way out of the money, I will email them monthly just to let them know that we are watching the rate for them and they will love it. So like every day I see a lot of clients that have target hit right here. And when I call them, I can convert them. Okay, this is the rate alert. This is an amazing tool. Nobody has it. And it's going to help you. It will help you getting a lot of business. This is the reason why I close so many loans. Let me answer a few more questions and then I will continue with the loan process. Hi, Mark.
Hi there. My understanding is that we have the option to add the processor's fee to the closing cost. Is that true?
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
Yes and no, though. Yes and no. If you send a loan to the correspondent channel, then yes, we can charge the borrower that. But if it is in a wholesale channel, if we are a broker, we cannot charge them.
Okay.
However, you still can always increase your compensation so that you have money to pay for the processing
Yes, sir.
fee. So it's
Okay.
all the same. It's all the same.
And the other question I had was, you talked about leads and giving us the URL so we can advertise for ourselves to bring people to us, but
Yes.
that doesn't happen right away. So the first week that after I've been through training and I'm ready to go, how do I get leads? What's that look like?
We tighten it up. We tighten it up because in the past we give lead to a lot of loan officers, but they are not good. They don't make phone call. They don't work hard. And working with lead is not simple. If you can convert 2% of the lead, it's considered very good. And most of the loan officers don't have realistic expectation. You know, you expect to convert 10% or 20%. That is not realistic. So most of the loan officers try to call and give up because most of the leads say no. So And that is the problem. We don't have the right expectation. And that's why I tied it up. I only share with certain loan officer. Uh, you know, every month we got over 1,300 lead from Facebook distributed to you. So again, you have to wait. But one way I can recommend you is you can see my screen here. You can go to marketing feature. You can go to Facebook ads, and you can run Facebook ads. You can click here, right? And you can choose Facebook lead form to get instant lead, or you can choose the traffic. You can run traffic. So for example here, you can run ads to get traffic to a landing page. And we have HFA Dream for All. If you are living in California, this is the best program and the best way to get client here. So you can run an ad on Facebook to promote this program. And if the client like it, let's say you select this template and run ads, right? We will help you run an ad automatically, and we build a landing page for you. So if you select this, you can spend $10 a day on the ads. You can select when you want to stop. You promote this program, the campaign. You will see the URL of your website here. It's created automatically for you. So when you run the ads, you can select the state that you want to run the ads. You can select the language. And when you submit, the people in this state will see your ads. When they tap on it, we will send you a notification to your cell phone so that you can call the lead right away.
Okay,
So this is how we help you. Yeah, you can get
so
lead.
that's the help we're going to get started. We're not going to have company leads coming to us that we can call and check in on.
I cannot guarantee that, because we have so many loan officers and we don't have enough lead. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I would recommend you run these ads because it costs about $5 per lead. If you run these ads, you can get lead. It costs about $5 each. Okay. Thank you. Let me see. Farid. Hello, Farid.
Yeah, hi. I have two questions. Number one, going back to processing, do we get the same processor each time or a different one every time a loan is sent?
You work with one processor, so you get the same processor every time.
Also, I'm in California. Do I have a choice to be W-2 or 1099, or I have to be W-2?
Are you DRE license or DFBI license?
DRE. And I have NMLS.
Yeah. So if you are DRE, you can be 1099.
Perfect.
If you are DFBI, you have to be W-2. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for it. Let me see. There's a lot more that I want to share with you. So let's say if you have a new loan, you can fill out the application manually, or you can invite borrower to fill it out, or you can issue a pre-qualification letter. You can import an XML file, or you can have AI to fill out for you. If you click here, you will start the application, and you can drag this document in here so that AI can read it and create an application for you. Save you a lot of time. The borrower can do this as well. So let me explain in the loan process. The borrower can fill out application for you. Almost 98% of my clients fill out the application themselves on our website. So that saved me so much time, and they can utilize AI as well. And when they finish the application, our system know what document they need to submit, so they can upload those documents for us. And then someone earlier asked me about loan coordinator. We do offer that. However, we want to offer to busy loan officer only. If you're not busy, you should help your client. You should do the work. But if you are busy, we offer a loan coordinator to help you. And this is cheap. We plan to offer it at $250 per closed loan. However, if you are really busy, like you close 7 loans a month on average, we will charge you only $150 per closed loan. So those are the loan coordinator. The loan coordinator is another version of you. They will do everything that you do, except they cannot do unlicensed activity. They cannot quote rate, they cannot explain the loan estimate, but they can do everything else for you. So here is the loan life cycle. First, you run ads, you promote yourself, the client see that, they go to your website, they check out the rate, they like the rate, they fill out the application. And after they fill out the application, oh, by the way, when they fill out the application, our system will text you and let you know, so that you can call the client and help them right away during the time they fill out the application. You can call them and help them right away. And after the borrower finished the application, they upload the documents. And you can go in and review it. You can pull credit report if you want to, soft pull if you want to, run AUS, and calculate DTI, structure the loan, do all of that. And that is the best thing that you do, right? You are a loan officer. You want to underwrite the loan. And when the loan is, after that, you see the loan can be qualified. You can run a pricing engine to pick the best rate, the best lender for your clients. And then you convert the prospect into a loan. You will indicate that whether you want to send it to the correspondent channel or wholesale channel. What is the commission that you want to make? You can give more instruction if you want to. And the processor, after you convert into a loan, the processor will submit the loan to the lender for you. And they will take the loan all the way to fund it. So as you can see at Loan Factory, we make everything so simple, so easy. You only work in the middle, where you structure the loan, review 1003, structure the loan, and decide the lender, right? They decide the rate. And then you also call the borrower up right after you convert the loan and submit to the lender. You call your borrower and say, hey, Kevin, I thank you for filling out a complete application. I reviewed the loan, everything looked good. I'm gonna submit your loan to the lender right now. I create a rate alert for you already. Every morning around 9 a.m., you will receive an email with the rate. Please check it. If you like the rate, you call me, I will lock for you. If you don't like the rate, we can keep waiting. However, since this is a purchase, we don't have a lot of time. We have to close in 30 days. So we have to lock the rate in the next 2 weeks. You explain to them. And the lender will approve your loan in about 1 to 2 days. My processor, John, will work with you. John will call you to let you know if the lender approved the loan or not, and what are the additional requirements from the lender. And if you satisfy all of the lender requirements, then we can close the loan. So this is how you explain to your borrower so that they understand the process. They know that they need to work with the processor. They know that we are helping them. We are a team, not one person. Most loan officers make a mistake. They like to do everything themselves, and they are solo loan officer. And you know that nowadays when you are solo, you are not so good. But if you have a team that help the client will love you even more. So you explain the process to your client. They love it. They are in control of the process. They will help you out. And you can see that at Loan Factory, our client do most of the work. Our client and our processor do most of the work. They check the rate themselves. They fill out application. They upload document. They monitor the rate. They tell you what rate they want to lock, right? And then the processor also take care of the loan for you, from submission all the way to funded. All you need to do is click the button after the loan is funded. You click a button and request commission, and you get paid. We pay every other day for 1099 loan officer. We pay very fast. Hello, hi Juan.
Yes, hi. Thank you. And I'm glad you mentioned that, because yesterday I was onboarding. I found it very difficult to actually pick a team because I like working in teams. But there are so many that I wanted to see if maybe you can give us some guidance as to where I should filter my searches, and if I can actually speak to some of the folks that maybe be interested in joining a team.
Yeah, so you want to launch your own team, or you want to join a team?
I would probably want to join another team. I've been in the business, but I really would like to lean on some more experienced loan officer.
You go to the marketplace right here and go to Loan Factory, go to team, then you can see the list of team. To let's see, you can see the team leader. You can see you click on member, you can see the team leader and team member, and you can call them. So that's how you do it. You call the team leader, talk to them, find out what they will help you, how will they train you, how will they support you, and how much you have to share with the team leader. I recommend you to work together as a team, if possible, because then you can help each other. You make a little bit less, but you have more transaction, and you learn so much more. And after a few months or so, a year, you can, if you're good enough, you can leave the team. You don't have to be with the team. It's all up to you to decide. To try that. And again, any question, you go to marketplace and ask the support specialist. They will support you. They will give you an answer. Yeah, thank you, Juan.
Thank you.
So let me share with you a lot more. Okay, here. The main feature, we have rate alert. I showed you already. My commission request. That means when the loan is closed, you can click on it and request commission. Closing gift. When the loan is closed, you can send a gift, a cutting board to the. You can send a cutting board to the client, and it costs only less than $46, including shipping. When we are waiting for a borrower to confirm if they want to receive the gift, and order confirm, that means they want to receive the gift. Delivering, that means we send it out to the client. So we have gift. It's a cutting board, very nice cutting board. This is how we try to stay in front of our clients and share our appreciation with them. You can create a ticket. If you have any request to any department, you can create a ticket. You can grow your referral partner. We have a tool to help you track the referral back and forth. We send them the report. We can follow up with them. So this is how we help loan officers to build relationship with referral partners. Loan Factory IQ is another great tool. I bet that most of you heard about HomeBot or My Home IQ, right? So this is the same, if not better. The reason is it's very easy to use, very powerful. So our client have one report here. You can click on it. You can see the report. The client view the report 4 times. We send it to them. They read it 4 times. And we can click here to look at the report. The report shows their home estimate, the equity they can cash out, their current payment. They can pay early, they pay more, and this is how much they will save. You know,
Please,
how much.
I'm not seeing your screen, please. You're not sharing.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. Let me repeat everything again. So this is our Loan Factory IQ, right? If you click on it, this is like similar to HomeBot and My Home IQ. And you can see I have 24,000 clients who receive the monthly report, homeowner report. You can book, import all of them. You can add one by one. I myself have 24,000 homeowner. And you see homeowner, they have one report. Sometimes they have two report, two house. And you can see one report here. And I think this homeowner review it 5 times. So if you can click on that, you can see the report. You can see the report.
Nice.
Yeah, you will love it. Let me see it again. So here's the report, right? You can click on view report, and on this report, we have home as the estimate of the house value. And you know, homeowner love to see this every month, and the value go up. Equity cash out. If they want to cash out, they can cash out this much. They can check their current payment. They can see the early option, the payoff option. If they pay an extra 1,000, how much money they will save. They can check the refinance option, which we show them that they can get 5.25%, no cost, no closing cost. This client have rate is super low. Purchasing power. So this is a really nice tool that you can have. You can send it to your clients.
So,
very powerful. Yeah.
Mr. Twan, can I ask you a question? I'm sorry, I know I came a little late. So I have a couple questions, and I apologize to everybody. So when you're doing a correspondent, because I think you have like 5 or 6 different correspondents, the margins are pretty much standard, or the LOs choose the margins that they want to work with a correspondent based on the market. So for example, if I want to be at 185 and charge 90 basis points as a discount or origination, can I do that? Or do I have to be, do we all work under the same margin?
You can have your own compensation. You will decide how much you want to make. It's up to you.
Okay. For conventional FHA, can we make more on government, or everything is 250?
Everything 250.
Okay. I got it. Okay. Now on the third-party processing, because I saw that you have your own processing. When you do correspondent, that means that we have to work with only the in-house processors, or can we work with outside processors for a third party?
Yes. Yeah, we have a list on our marketplace. We have a list of third-party processor.
Okay.
You have to use our in-house processor or third-party processor that we approve.
Okay.
Yeah, you have no other choice.
Yes, I spoke with I think it's yesterday. She gave me a little bit of an internal view, and I saw that you have a couple different correspondents. So that's good. And then I was going to ask you, in reference to, let's say we build, right? We could build a team, or we build an office. I noticed that you have offices throughout a couple of places in the U.S. How do we qualify to have an office, or what are the requirements?
We encourage you to have a team first,
Okay.
because the team, you don't have to have overhead. And if you have a successful team, then you can ask to have an office.
Okay.
Because
Got it.
there's no point of having an office when you don't have a team.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
And
Okay.
nowadays, people don't come to the office anymore. Consumer, they love to do everything online. So you will see that more and more. And I know that in some locations, some clients like Hispanic, they always love to come to the office. I know that.
Yes. Okay. Are you, as far as the Fannie Mae, Ginnie Mae, are you looking to have everything done? Like for your, because right now we're doing non-del, but eventually are you looking to do your own
Yes.
underwriting,
Yes.
Eagle? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. And I want to do it soon. And I want to be the best lender so that I can offer the best service and the best pricing to our clients. So that, yeah, we are aiming for that.
Okay. Now, I know that when we pull credit, because the customer has a choice of paying or we pay for it. Now, can we, in your system, is there any way we can add the soft pool so that way?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
We can do that, right?
We can do soft pool, or you can turn on so that the borrower can pull the credit themselves. They pay for it. You don't have to pay. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, I was just saying, because sometimes if you're doing different marketing, sometimes the realtors send you clients, and sometimes they want to know whether the customer is okay. So some customers, believe it or not, I know $100 is $100, no big deal, but you're buying a house, so you shouldn't complain about $100. But I was asking if we do volume, or if we're buying, or if we're doing a live presentation and we have people that are logging in, we can see which are the good clients and which one we can work with, and the other ones maybe we can work on sending them to a partner that does credit repair. And then the other thing I want to ask you, for realtors, if we partner up, you have a realtor program, or for example, let's say my compensation for the group is $250, all right? And if I bring the realtor and they do part of the work, can we give them an example, 50 basis points or 60 basis points? That means I have to, well, on my contract, you're going to have self-gen, right? Referral or company. And so we can work on our, what do you call it? The buckets, right? The buckets. Do you allow that?
We cannot pay the realtor. They don't have a license. They don't have a license.
So business development though?
No. We cannot pay. No. We can, if they have a license, yes, we can pay them. So our system allow 2 loan officers on the same, get paid on the same transaction.
Right.
So you can encourage them to obtain the license, and that way both of you can get paid.
Gotcha. So the realtor, because some banks are offering realtors that, because they have realtors that are, they always want some kind of participation or some kind of marketing, and some banks are allowing them to come on as business development, and they get paid on anything that they refer as a business development for a loan factory, an example. And so then they add, no, we can't do that. No,
we cannot do that.
You cannot do that.
Yeah. I encourage them to get the license so that they can get paid.
Okay.
Yeah, the law is very strict on this. Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's say I'm a loan officer. I'm not licensed in Texas. Can I split that with me and the loan officer that is licensed in Texas, or I only get a referral fee for 25 basis points?
Wait, can you ask that question again? I'm sorry.
Sure. So let's say Mr. Farid Moradi is licensed in Texas.
Yes.
Okay. I'm Oscar Navarro in Virginia. I'm not licensed in Texas.
Yes.
So I give him the referral, right? I have him write the loan. And so how do we split the commission?
You are not licensed, you cannot split.
I don't get a referral? No, nothing?
Yeah. The only time you get referral is you are W-2 loan officer.
W-2.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
We
W-2.
can pay you.
Okay.
And you know, most of the time, our loan officer getting licensed in many states. That's why you can get paid.
Yeah, I know, but a lot of continuing education is a lot of class. My other question for you, Mr. Nugent. So
Yes.
let's say I have, because I know there's the state of Delaware, a few states allow you to have 2 sponsorships. So I can have one with Loan Factory, and then I can have one with someone else. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And okay, I see. Okay, but I have to be in that. I have to live in that state, so I have to have a driver's license
No.
to show you.
No,
No?
you don't have to. Don't have to.
No?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Check out our website. Check out our
Okay.
website. Our website have a lot of great information. Like
Okay.
for example, you go to resource here.
Mhm.
You go to loan officer, already licensed, add more state license. Click here.
Yeah.
You can see we show everything. Like general rule, you can sponsor by only one mortgage company. Exception. These are the states that you can be sponsored by more than one company.
More than one. Okay.
We can show you special states, some of the state.
Mhm.
You cannot be sponsored by any other mortgage who have license in this state. Yeah, I show you all of the requirement here and how to
Gotcha.
add new state license. I show you step by step how to add new state license. And these 24 states, you don't need to study CE at all. You don't need
Okay.
to study any state specific course.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we show you step by step how to get licensed.
Okay. Okay. I was just asking because I didn't know if because I have a driver's license in one state, that's the only state that I can be technically
No.
sponsored. That's all.
We don't care driver license.
Okay.
We don't
Got
care.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Caleb. Hello, Caleb.
Yes. Is there any way we can upload a CSV file if you want to upload some folder onto your CRM?
Yeah, depend on what CRM, depend on what feature do you want. You know, for Loan Factory IQ, yes, you can do that. But
thank you.
If you have a loan file, it have to be a MISMO 3.4 format. You know, you have to export the loan from your current LOS and import to our system. Then yes, you can do that. And our system allow you to import hundreds of borrow at the same time. So we have a powerful system that can help you with that. So let me finish up more feature that we have to offer. So marketing feature, the Facebook ads I showed you earlier, you can use it to run Facebook ads, and it's very effective. Google review, we help you to have Google business profile so that you can ask for Google review, and you can ask for Google review. And when you have a Google review, you can generate the image so that you can promote it. You can promote on your social media. We have thousands and thousands of marketing materials where you can promote, you can customize it, you can generate it, and your information will be shown on the bottom, and you can promote it. We have all kind of marketing material, from daily rate, marketing images, reviews, fast to clear loans, mortgage terms, news. We have so many different images. You and the loan officer, you and the realtor together too. We have a lot of different images for you to generate. And let's see, what better is we are releasing a new tool that can post automatically for you. So our new tool know that when you close a loan, you close a lot of loans in the same month, you clear the loan really fast, you want to promote daily rate, you got 5-star review, anything good about you, the system know. and they will generate the image. They generate the post and post it for you automatically. Everything happen automatically. So we are releasing that feature very soon, probably in a week. That will help you with marketing. We have email drip campaign, and here you can see I activate for all my clients for holidays, and then for referral realtor, I turn it on too. We have follow-up campaign. So let's say 1 year anniversary here, we have it on. You can turn it on a lot of these email drip campaign. And email drip campaign is a great way to stay in front of the clients. Don't lose client. That's the key, right? You run a business, you cannot afford to lose clients. You have to keep them for life, and they will also refer you a lot more clients. We have the contact list where you can email them or text them. This is a way to do both communication at the same time. We have lead funnels and widget. You can create unlimited amount of lead funnel and drive traffic to your funnel. We have widget too. Let's see, my rate update. You have this subscription so that I can send information to my client or realtor regularly. Yeah, you can create a rate update newsletter here. We have training academy where you can learn mortgage. You can learn a lot of things on our training academy. You can see we have a lot of courses you can take. There's a lot more. But I want to stop it here and ask you if you have any question for me. Let's see who have question for me. You can ask me now. Any question, anything. Hello, Hai Ngọc.
Yeah, just quick question. Let's say after the buyer input the loan application online, and is it required to run the credit report in order to give them the pre-approval letter, or if they know the score, can we enter that into the system to get the pre-approval for them?
It's not required, but you should.
Okay.
You should not give the pre-approved letter without reviewing their qualification.
Okay.
You should pull the credit. Let's soft pull them. That's my recommendation. Yeah.
And then usually for the sub pool, like the cost for the sub pool, is it the same as the hard pool? Is it the different?
Yeah, it's a little bit cheaper. Everything getting out of control. The cost is been raised so high that really it's the bad thing for our industry. Credit report is too expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Danton.
Hi, Mr. Nguyen. First, thank you for answering my email earlier this week. And I do appreciate your honesty as well as Cohen in your onboarding department regarding the leads and the fact that there are no California leads for loan officers that are based here in California. The follow-up question I did have in another email, but I didn't hear back from you, which I'm not taking offense to you're a busy guy. Does Loan Factory refer or can refer any outside lead company that any of your other successful loan officers are using? Trying to make a good fit with the company. I don't have a book of business, and you guys were kind of making it sound like I would have a hard time with the Facebook ad leads and also the fact that I don't have company leads coming from California.
There are a lot of bad company out there try to make money by selling lead. They sell the lead, the quality is bad, and they charge you a lot of money. So that's why I don't like to work with them. Even, the best quality type of lead is lending tree and bank rate. They generate a lot of good lead, but it's so expensive. Their lead costs $130 each. So that's why I recommend you. If I were you, I would run Facebook ads to get lead. Like I said, $5 each. That is very reasonable. You can run those ads, and you can get leads, and you can try to convert them. So try to use our Facebook ads tool and pick some program like refinance or CalHFA. Pick some program to run that generate interest of the user out there, and they will reach out to you, and you can try to convert. So pick some program that you like to promote. That is the best advice I have for you. I don't want you to lose money. I know that most people work with lead lose money, and it's lead as the quality is really bad. If you can convert 2%, you're good. And so if you're ready and you want to work with lead, be prepared that 95% of your clients will not pick up the phone or say no to you. It's not good. Lead is not good. That's why I myself, it took me 19 years to build up a lot of clients, and they love me. So it takes times. Reputation and successful take times. You have to try really hard. You have to work really hard. Hi, Mark.
Hi, thanks for taking this. My understanding is the reason the credit reports are costing so much now is because the law is changing and they're not going to be able to sell leads to lenders in the future. So I think it's a good trade-off that I'm not doing a hard pull, then they're selling my hard pull off to other people saying, hey, this guy's looking for a loan. That's my understanding.
No, that's not correct. The cost went up because of FICO. The company called FICO, they charge higher fee. And also a loan factory, we never afraid of being called, because we always put our client phone number in the do not call before we put a credit report.
Okay.
That stopped 99% of the trigger call.
Good move.
Yeah, that's what we've been doing for many years.
The other question I have is, I thought I heard you say earlier that 1099 paydays are like every other day.
Yes.
So what does a payday look like for a W-2?
Right now we do every 2 weeks.
Okay.
Just like regular employee.
Okay.
However, we try to change our payroll provider so that we can pay like every other day as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Anyone have more questions for me? As you can see that when I do business, I rely a lot on technology, and I'm not afraid of doing different type of things, because you have to keep trying. You can see that I do My Home IQ, I do Google review, I do a lot of social media. I use technology, and I try to stay in front of the client, with newsletter, with email drip campaign. I also do a lot of rate alert. So all of these helping me. Especially when most other loan officers don't do anything. I always stay in front of my client, show them that I care for them. I work hard for them. I watch out the rate for them. I send them the monthly report. I do all kind of things so that the client always see me and they always like me. There's no reason they work with anyone else, because I'm so good. That's all. Just stay in front of the clients. Hello, Rafael. Rafael? Hello, Rafael. I think you're mute right now. I will come back to you. Hello, Ngọc.
Yeah, back to the credit report. Let's say at the beginning, before we do the pre-approval, we do a sub-pull, and later on the client decided to move forward with our loan. Then do we have to do another hard pull again? So we have to pay 2 times?
Yes, you have to. Okay. Yeah, soft pull, the inquiry doesn't show up. It doesn't affect the credit score. and hardcore is the opposite. The credit score will be affected.
I see.
However, if we pull within 30 days, then the second time it's poor won't affect the credit score. Thank you, Mark. Hello, Salima.
Yes. Hi. Yeah, I got 3 questions. The
Yes.
first one is like, between W2 and the 1099, is it like easy to switch in between? Like if now I choose 1099, I can easily switch to W2 later.
No, it's not easy to split.
Okay.
You should stay W2 or 1099 for a long time. You should not. We won't allow you to switch too often.
So if I add another state which only allow to have W2, then I need to be aligned.
W2. You have to be W2. You cannot be both.
Right,
You
right. That's what I'm saying. So right now I only apply for the Texas license, so
Then-
which allow me to have 1099. But if I apply for W2, I'm sorry, if I apply for another state which only allow me to be in as a W2, then I have to switch all them to W2, right?
Correct. And that's why most loan officers stay away from W2 state, like Massachusetts and North Carolina. And that is why those states, there's not a lot of competition compared to Texas or California. Yeah, you are right.
Okay, so I mean, then I can choose 1099 for now, and later if I do add that state, I can switch.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
And yeah, and second question is, I see on the agreement that we are not to do any telemarketing. So regarding this telemarketing method, is that just the loan factory don't want us to do it, or is it not? It's forbidden by the industry.
What kind of marketing that you are talking about? I'm sorry.
Like telemarketing, like a calling potentials.
Yeah, in order to call, you have to have the you have to check the phone number against the do not call list.
Right.
We have that list. We have the do not call registry. We do have it.
Right, but I see on the agreement, you guys not
The
allow.
robocall. Oh, robocall. You cannot use it.
No, you didn't say, oh, you only not allowed to have robocall, but the other is okay. Other telemarketing method is okay.
Yeah, you have to ask her. You have to tell us which one.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. You
So
can
who
call.
should I ask?
You can ask the marketing team, or you can ask me.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So majority, our marketing method is just do Facebook ad.
Facebook, social media in general.
Okay.
Social media ads, and then realtor. Right now, most of the loan officer make money, have transaction two-way. Either to realtor or second method is consumer direct. You can run ads, or you keep receiving repeated business or referral from your existing clients. And that is the best way to get clients. Me, I get most of 98% of my clients are returning client or referral.
Right. So for the marketing team, if I want to post some content, do you guys have that content supported in another language like Chinese?
Yes, we do. And you can help us with the translation. We do the rest of the work for you. Yeah.
Oh, okay, like designing something like that.
Yes. And think about us. Think about the marketing team at your staff. They will do their best to help you.
Okay, cool.
And it's free.
Okay, yeah, and I see that every 6 months I needed to close one loan.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So what if because I'm new, I don't know how the marketing there. What if I tried hard, I didn't close any loan? What kind of penalty or what's going to happen?
6 months. 6 months is a long time, and you
Right.
only close one loan. If you cannot close one loan, we might have to terminate you. That's it.
Okay.
There's no penalty. There's no nothing. Yeah.
Okay. That's all my questions.
Thank you, Selena. Thank you. Hey, Rafael. Rafael?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. So I have a question about, I have some few questions. Actually, how accurate is the AI when it comes in to help us if somebody upload their documentation or we upload the documentation needed? How accurate it is the AI system?
Yeah, AI is very accurate in reading the documents and fill out application for you.
Okay. And when it comes to marketing, I know that you have, do you have API integrations?
Yes, we are building a tool and we almost releasing it.
Okay.
The tool will help us post automatically on Facebook and eventually in many other social media platforms.
What about if I use, because I use syndication like Buffer, and I hear you that you were talking about HotSuite. Can they both be connected so we can automatically post some content?
Like I said, in about a week, we'll have the tool for you to use. You can post automatically. And we love to build the tool for you so that you don't have to pay the other company. So that's all I can tell you. We build software. If you have anything good, you share with us, we will build it.
Okay. And of course, when it comes to the Google review, I will have to connect my GVP to the system, right? In order to get that review.
It's easy to connect. It's easy to connect, right? You have it already connected, and that's it. And one thing is good about Google review is our processor will do a very good job because this is their KPI. They have to get review, 5-star review for you. And they get a bonus too. The company pay them a bonus if they can get the 5-star review for you. They will work with the client. They ask the client ahead of time that if they do a good job, the client give you a 5-star review. So they will do the work, and our system know how to ask for review. Our system will send them a text message with a link, and all they need to do, all the borrower need to do, is tap on it and give you a 5-star review. Really quick and easy, very effective. Yeah.
Okay. And the website that we are gonna get when we join the company is a one-page website, or is gonna be a full website with all information? And are they gonna be? I'm gonna be able, or you guys are gonna be able to do like some type of SEO when it comes to the URL and sort things like that?
Yeah, I mean, I can share with you this. So this is her, right? And this is her website. Let me click on it. And here's her website. You can see it's the full website. It's not one page.
Okay.
It has application, it has loan product here, resources. You see, her pricing engine, her information, her video. There's a lot of pages.
So it's gonna go with me directly, no matter in which page will be going the client.
Yeah, this is your page.
Okay.
Everything happened here is for yours. Yes, a lot of pages here.
Okay. That's it. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Let's see who else have a question. Please ask me. But you can see that there's so much going on, and there's so much that you can do to improve your business. I mean, this section you see how I do business, right? How I I use technology to make things so easy for me and for my client. I do all kind of things to stay in front of the client, to run ads, to bring in more business. And you should do the same. You should do the same. I mean, the more active you are, the more successful you are. You have to be so active. You have to work hard. But of course, you can work hard, but it's always do things better and rely on the technology, rely on your company. I see that a lot of loan officers, they are by themselves. And I don't see how they can be successful because in this industry, it's getting more difficult to do business. You have to know so many things. You have to do so many things. And that is almost impossible for one person to do all of that. So that's why I want you to compare your current company versus Loan Factory to see which company offer you more, right? And as a loan officer, you have the beauty of able to switch in company. If you don't like your current company, try new company. And if the new company is still not good, like Loan Factory is not a good fit for you, you can always switch, right? There's no cost to switch. And at Loan Factory, we don't charge you monthly fee at all. So you have all the time to learn from Loan Factory and decide whether you want to stay or not. Hello, hi, Ngọc.
I saw some question in the message section. Maybe you can take a look and see if you can answer them.
Maybe you can ask me. I love to.
Okay, I see one person asked about the second mortgage and home equity loan typically don't offer much commission. So the question is, the cost still $10.95 for close the loan regardless of the loan type?
Good question. We are very reasonable. So for equity line of credit, I think we don't charge processing fee. We charge only 100 processing fee. And in case that if the loan amount, let's say only $80,000, and the commissions turn out to be like $1,500, then in those cases, we will split 50-50 on the commission. You don't have to pay the full $10.95. Very reasonable.
And the second question was, one person asked that his license is with another company in California, and he is closing some loans. So if he switch to your company, how soon can he get sponsored?
Good question. We can sponsor him right away. Depend on the other company will pay him or not. You know, he should talk to the current company to see when he can switch, not us. We love to sponsor him. And in case that he need to wait for the transaction to close, and if we have new loan, I can be the loan officer of his new loan. And as soon as he's 100% sponsor, then we will move the loan back to him. Yeah, thank you. Hi, Mark.
Yeah, another question was, you had mentioned a format earlier. So like if I had a client that sees a Facebook ad and they want to make an appointment with me, that they could actually, did I understand this correctly? They could go in and set up a time that the meeting would be? So like there's a format that you talked about earlier?
You mean meeting you online or at the office?
Yeah, just to set up a meeting time for me to call.
Yeah, we have that tool. We have the Google Meet. You can always set up.
Google Meets? Okay.
Yeah, it's always free. We offer that to you for free. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Yvonne.
Hello. So I'm pretty new to the industry. I'm used to Encompass, so I really do love your platform. It looks like it's so all-inclusive and everything there. Now, when we go to run AUS, is that also done through the program,
Yes.
or do we have
Yes.
additional programs?
No,
Okay.
everything in our system. You open up the 1003 pool credit and click on one-click AUS. We'll run both the DO and LPA, and you can see the feedback and all that. Yeah, we can do that on our system.
Okay. And then I have one more question. So occasionally some people might have some pretty difficult self-employment to be able to calculate, like if they have rental, all of those things. So is there a department that helps with those kinds of scenarios?
Yes. Our underwriter. So if you have any difficult loan or if you need help confirming, then they will help you.
Okay.
They can calculate DTI for you. They can structure the loan for you. They can help you locate a program for you or a lender for you. So they do all of this for you to help you.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Yvonne. So yeah, thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and I hope you learned something. It's all about learning. It's all about doing something to improve your business, right? And if your business keep improving, you have higher chance of being successful. In this business, I have to admit that it's getting a lot more difficult nowadays. And you have to work harder. And you need to receive help from your company. I mean, it's just really difficult to be successful by yourself nowadays. Very difficult. So you need to have a team. You need to have support. You have to have great system, great technology. You have to have great marketing. Everything has to be good if you want to be successful. Yeah. And thank you everyone for spending time with me on a Friday. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.